By now I bet you're getting the hang of inverse operations, but I need to show you what happens with harder sums. So if you have something like this will help you show why BODMAS is so important. So y divided by 7, take 1 equals 2. Again, I don't care what it equals, I even cover that up with my hand. So here I've got the left hand side and the right hand side, just to make sure we know what we're doing. So you'll see here it's got say the sum. So the sum is y divided by 7, take 1. The last thing I say is the first thing I get rid of. So the last thing I said was take 1, so the opposite to take is add 1. Whatever I do to one side, I must do the other. So here I'm looking on my left hand side, what's left? I have y divided by 7 equals, now I'm looking at my right hand side, 2 plus 1 is 3. I haven't worked out what y is, so I've got to keep going. Y divided by 7, again I'm not even looking at 3. Y divided by 7, what's the opposite to divide? Times. Law of the universe says whatever I do to one side I have to do to the other. They cancel out. What's left? Y equals, what's 3 times 7? 21. Okay, so now I have to check my answer. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 take 1 equals 2. Yep, it works out, so then I underline it. So again, what's BODMAS got to do with it? It's because that's the order of operations that I had to do in the first place. So that means that has to do the opposite to go backwards, or to do the inverse. I have another one to do. This should help you understand the difference. Now I'm going to do y take 1 divided by 4 equals 2. So it looks really similar to the one before, but it's not. It gives you a different answer. So I'll say the sum, y take 1 divided by 4 equals 2. Again, don't care what that one is. Left hand side, right hand side. So y take 1 divided by 4. The last thing I said was divide by 4. So that means the first thing I have to do is times by 4. That cancels out with that, so I'll do my left hand side first. That leaves me y take 1 equals 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, y take 1, what's the opposite to take 1? Add 1, law of the universe says whatever I do to one side I must do the other. I owe you $1 but I paid you, so that means I'm left with just me, which is you, or y. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, so now I have to check it. 9 take 1 divided by 4 equals 2, does it? So 9 take 1 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Yes, it works. So that's why I underline it. If there's any questions, you need to see me in class.